The DJI RS5, guys, is here. Let's get straight into the video. Love the case. Semi-hard shell. Love it. So this is everything inside the box. Wow. I'm truly excited to get this assembled. So let me just get this assembled real quick and I'll get back to you guys. So here we have the gimbal actually set up. I'm just going to remove the sponge, the safety sponge right here. Let's go with the aesthetics of the actual gimbal itself. So I want to just touch on 5 features that I'm truly excited about with this new gimbal. If I should refer to the RS4 Mini that I have here, the RS4 Mini was one of the first ones that came out with the intelligent tracking, and they have updated the intelligent tracking now on the RS5. So you might see me refer to some things on this gimbal over here a few times, and what I'm going to be talking about is on the RS5. So let's just put this to the side for now. All right, so the RS5, one of the first things I'm truly excited about, guys, is how easy it is to get it up and running. What do I mean by that? I mean, now they have these knobs on here now, on this part here, this part here, this part here, and right here. I am truly excited because that's one of the pain points I had when it comes to the RS Mini or any other gimbals before this one. With this, you had to adjust the arms by sliding it out, sliding it in, and that movement oftentimes is very finicky and very stiff sometimes. And let's put this to the side. All right, so with this new gimbal now, guys, is you can easily adjust how to balance, to get the camera balance on the gimbal, and this is literally how fast it is, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unlock each of the points and I'm just going to adjust it, just randomly just adjust. So now if I need to readjust everything now, guys, as you can see, the camera is no longer, you know, balanced. So now what I have to do, the first thing I have to do is I'll just unlock right here. And all I'm gonna do is literally front heavy. I'm just gonna slide it back, just like that. And that should be okay. Now I need to just making sure that it stays. If it doesn't stay like that, now I'm just gonna have to adjust this point right here. So let's do that right now. And all I have to do is just kind of slide it up a little bit, making sure it's getting there. So a little bit too much, and boom, voila, that's one section right there. So now the camera is pretty much, you could say, balanced in a sense. I'm just going to slide it back, slide forward just a little bit more because it's kind of falling back. So now as you can see, the camera is pretty much balanced. If you point it down or point it slightly up and it stays, it is pretty much balanced right there. I'm just going to lock that in. Now I'm just going to unlock over here. And as you can see, it's tilting a little bit over here. And all I need to do is just unlock right here. And then now I'm just going to be sliding just a little bit. Because that's the one thing with this I noticed now is that you can make these finer micro adjustments. And to know that you can easily, look at that. It's already pretty much ready to go, right? And now the other section, now I'm just going to unlock here. And once you tilt it over, the camera not supposed to be really moving, but let me just lock these first and lock over here. All right, so the camera is not supposed to be really moving. So what I'm going to do now is just unlock here and probably just slide it back a little bit. It's moving a little bit, just a little bit right there, and lock it. And I should be okay. So now if I should unlock everything, the gimbal should be fine right there. And the thing about this too now, let me just lock these back into place. So the thing about that feature now, so if you're on the job and you just, let's say you change a lens or something, you can easily and quickly just get everything balanced and ready to go. I really and truly love that. The next thing I really enjoy, guys, is the joystick right here that is on the arm. With this now, before when I was handling the camera, oftentimes you have to hold your hand and move the thing right here. Now you don't have to do that. You can literally control everything from the arm right here. As you can see, this has the buttons over here. You have the record button, the mode button, and the joystick right here. And then now you have the little lever right here to kind of center the camera. The next thing that I'm really happy about now, guys, is the tripod legs. When you talk about speed and efficiency, guys, this is one of the things that you're really going to truly appreciate. Just having to just handle one of the legs to open it up is just, for me, a game changer, guys. If I should go back to the Mini, all tripods were like this. You have to do this, then that. Was just painstakingly long to just do. So it's a small improvement, but it's a welcome improvement nonetheless. The next thing now is the intelligent tracking. Oh my God. When I first kind of saw the reviews online, I was like, wow, because I really always had an issue, especially if I'm doing any kind of products. It is never that easy to just kind of, you know, pan and lock on, because only the intelligent was only for humans. So now you can actually do objects, and it is just a welcome feature that I'm truly happy about. So the next feature I'm truly excited about, guys, is the fact that you can now see yourself on the camera. Now you can actually see that there's a screen now on the back right there. That for me is just a phenomenal feature, because you can actually tap on the screen and see exactly what it is that you want to either make sure it identify that you want to track. That for me is an absolute game changer. The last one now, guys, which I think I kind of actually forgotten, if I should go back now, you have this thing on the back now where it shows you if you're aggressively moving the gimbal, you will actually see that the bar is actually moving either red or orange based on how aggressive your movement is. If you're in the green, you know that you're actually not putting too much strain on the actual gimbal itself. And for me, guys, those are the features that I am truly happy that they introduced in the RS5, and I am truly looking forward to just using it out in the field and just having fun time using the gimbal, because now they have made the gimbal so much easier and user friendly. Because I literally just took it out the box, I unboxed it, set it up, I had no issues. Yes, I've had previous gimbals before, so that kind of helps, but just having these small life improvement that they made on the gimbal is going to make any new user happy about having this new gimbal in their arsenal. So if you're someone who has the actual RS4, guys, and you're happy with what the features are, you're definitely going to be extremely happy with the new features that are on the RS5. You are going to be so happy, especially when it comes on to the balancing and the intelligent tracking. It is a welcome upgrade. I don't think I need to go to the Pro, because I never normally buy the Pro. So for me, if they do come up with the RS5 Pro, I think I'm okay with this, because I'm not an aggressive gimbal person. There's certain things I definitely would want to when it comes on to products and other things, or if I'm out shooting by myself, I can actually have the intelligent tracking track me. I'm truly happy with those features. Anything else beyond that, it's would be a bonus upgrade for me. With what they did here on the RS5, I'm truly happy I have to say. And guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below. If you're someone who owns the RS4 Mini, would you consider upgrading to the RS5? I know I am, but let me know what you guys think about it. Are the features that I mentioned in this big enough upgrade for you to move from the Mini to the RS5? Let's talk about it in the comment section below. If you guys did enjoy this video, guys, smash that like button, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, subscribe for more, and there will be links in the description below where you guys can actually purchase either of these gimbals. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.